you? Having fun? Okay, great. Just a question. Do you guys have a little bit of lighter fluid? You guys can like just sprinkle to help us sprinkle?
We don't use lighter fluid.
Oh
We
no!
need to make a fire.
How did you start your fire?
Come for the lesson.
Yeah, please.
So as you just heard, our neighbor came over to ask us to borrow some lighter fluid. But we do not use lighter fluid for many reasons. One, it's dangerous. Two, the odor. And three, it leaves a terrible taste in the food if you're using the fire for cooking. So we wanted to take this opportunity to show you what we do use to start fires. The method we're about to show you has proven to be the most effective at providing a good, lasting fire, but at the same time requiring zero maintenance before it's established. That's right, no fanning, no twigs, no bellows, nothing. Just set it and forget it. So what is it? A paper towel with some dryer lint and a little bit of Vaseline. That's it. So I know some of you are saying, okay, come on, really? Dryer lint, petroleum jelly? But I'm trying to tell you is this. If you put the right amount of petroleum jelly and the right amount of dryer lint, it will burn for a minimum of 10 to 15 minutes, guaranteed. All right, let's talk about placement. I'm only using 4 logs in this demonstration, and the first log is a flat piece that goes on the ground. It's very important because the dryer lint must rest on the solid piece of wood. If you place it on the dirt, it's going to go out in no time. Next, I want to place 2 cut logs on the top of the flat one, allowing a channel to come up in between the two. You want to place the dryer lint in between and close the gap in a way that when it is lit, it will lick up on both sides of the wood. It's very important to make sure that you leave a small gap so that the flame can climb up easily. And last, I want to place the 4th piece on the top. I want to put it so that it won't choke the flame, but it will allow the smoke and the flame to trickle through. You don't want a large gap, just enough to allow the smoke and the flame to trickle through, and then you are done. So now comes the greatest challenge that I've seen many campers go through. They want to touch it. I mean, they want to look in there and see if there's oxygen flowing. Yes, it is. They want to look and see, well, there's smoke coming out there. Should I fan it? No, you don't need to. People, at this point, walk away. Just walk away. Go set up your campsite. Go prepare your meal. Go have a good time. Go fishing. Go do something. Let it do its job. And I guarantee you, you won't be let down. Would you like to see what this looks like in a 15-minute time period? Here, check this out. Well, there you have it. 15 minutes later, still going strong and didn't have to do a thing. We hope this helped, and please, until next time, stay safe. We're out.